Many people think that weak bones are related to old age, but in reality, it is not like that. Genetics, eating habits, and bone construction during the growth spurts of adolescence can all interfere with bone quality. Try imagining your body without bone strength. Could you imagine it? It's almost impossible, isn't it? Without bones, walking, getting up, running, or jumping would be impossible. Because of that, bone health is crucial to our life quality. The good news is that there are many different ways of keeping your bones strong and avoiding the so dreaded osteoporosis. Have you ever heard about it? Osteoporosis is a disease that makes our bones weak and porous. As we age, it can increase the risks of bone fractures, especially on the hips, ribs, and femoral neck. If someone in your family suffers from this disease, chances are you will also suffer from it in the future. Learn what you can do to have healthy and strong bones. Consume foods rich in calcium. Calcium is an essential mineral for our teeth and bones, but for it to be absorbed by the body, you also need to get vitamin D, either through sunlight or foods. Chard, almonds, broccoli, kale, spinach, beet leaves, etc. are great sources of calcium. Consume vitamin D. People with low vitamin D levels are more prone to lower bone density. This vitamin helps the body absorb calcium, and according to studies, approximately 1 billion people around the world have a vitamin D deficiency. Get vitamin K2. It acts on bone formation, preventing calcium loss. Magnesium helps the body absorb vitamin D and calcium. Zinc. It helps the mineral construction of bones, avoiding damages. Omega-3. Its anti-inflammatory effect helps prevent bone loss during the aging process. Practice physical exercises. Machines tend to wear out with continuous use, right? The human body doesn't work like that. It is such a perfect machine that it gets better the more we use it. So, prioritize weight maintenance exercises, such as running, walking, jumping rope, skiing, and going upstairs. Avoid caffeine and sodas. The excess of caffeine can interfere with our body's capacity to absorb calcium. According to studies, people who don't consume enough calcium and drank more than 2 cups of coffee a day had more bone loss than what's considered normal. Besides that, it is necessary to take into account that sodas have in their composition an acid that directly attacks our bone health. Avoid cigarettes. According to recent studies, smoking can prevent the body from absorbing calcium, which decreases bone mass. Now that you know how to keep your bones strong and healthy, it will be easier to take care of them and make sure that they are in perfect condition. And remember, if you feel any pain or discomfort in your bones, seek a specialized doctor to help you with the best treatment for your case. Don't waste any time. Start taking care of your bones right now by practicing physical activities and paying attention to what you eat. This way, you will have amazing bone health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.